Hello, Jan Montarsi here, and I just wanted to show you I got from CreateALONG. It's their 3D printed waterproof sanding blocks for polymer clay, and I'm going to show you how to load them. First of all, the sanding blocks take a 5" by 3/4" strip for the rounded one, and for the long pointy one, it's a 7.5" long by 3/4" strip. And I recommend that you actually wet your strips first. You want them tight on the block. So if they're dry and you put them on, then you get them wet, it may expand a little and get a little baggy. So I have some here that are already soaked and wet. And let's put them on. These little dials unscrew very easily. You put your sandpaper down in the groove. And I put this side most of the way down. I'll leave it just a little bit. And I'll show you why in a minute. I'm going to tighten that side. Wrap my paper around. Get it in the other side. And push down. Okay, and that has a little bit, if you can see that, but there's a little bit of space between the end of the sandpaper and the end. The reason I like it that way is you can see it's kind of baggy here, but if I push, I'm pulling it very tight from here around and down and pushing it in. And then I'm going to put in my other screw to tighten down the sandpaper. Now it looks nice and tight, but I can come over here and loosen this one and push that in just a little bit more. I'm just pushing down with my thumb and retighten it. And that's going to be about as tight as you can get the sandpaper, which will be better for sanding. And I will load this one. Same deal. I put that down in, leave a little bit of space at the bottom so I can adjust it if I have to. Get my screw in, tighten it down, wrap my sandpaper around. Now this one's all, see now that's all the way at the bottom already. So I'm going to trim just a little bit of this off. Get my other screw started. Make sure my paper is nice on there straight. And push forward and down into the groove and tighten that one. Then I'll loosen this one. And push the paper forward and tighten it again. Okay, there we go. Now I have a little bowl of water here, and you can see these are perfectly fine in water. It won't hurt them. And I have some things here to try to sand, which I'll just wanted to show you. 3/4" by 7.5, 3/4" by 5 inches for your strips to fit on your blocks. And you'll watch in all my videos, I always talk about whenever I cover sanding, do things to save your hands. That if you have a tool you can work with versus holding a tiny piece of sandpaper in your fingers and putting that pressure on your hands, this is much better for your hands. And that's CreateALONG.com. If you'd like to purchase those, be sure to visit me on Facebook or see my other YouTube videos. The links are in the bottom in the drop-down box below. Thank you.